Okay guys, I'm here doing live video. I'm watching the market now. Okay, so yeah, it's the last hour for the market, and I'm watching some stocks. As you can see my screen, I've got a big screen here. As usual, I'm watching the usual suspect: GLP, Yoma, Yingli. Okay. So yeah, any questions, just pop by there. I'll answer the questions one by one. Okay, let me take a look. Yes, guys, I've seen, great, yes. How is GLP? Come. How's GLP? Doesn't look good. It looks like it's going to suffer some selling. Doesn't look good as of now. Okay, that's the outlook for GLP. Now the most important thing is stock picking, because without knowing which stock to play, there's no chance you can click a buy button. So very important to pick the right stock. Okay, so as I watch the top 30 volume, I can only say I'm very heart pain on Jumbo, because I mean, me and my member, we bought about 1.3 million shares of Jumbo at 47, 48 cents. As what I posted in the group yesterday, the thing went to 557 today. Well, we could have made hundreds of thousands in like 1 month, but because of our impatience, because of our eagerness to make money, we only take $10,000. So that's a very heart pain trade. But like I said, I'll move on from here. The next time if I pick another stock like Jumbo that is rising, I will sit out in the trade and I'll definitely sit out in the trade and make a few $100,000. Okay. So yeah, as of now, I'm just trading. I'm not investing. I'm just watching stocks for trading. Okay. So Jumbo was missed. Another stock that I really love is Yoma. Today they released a good news. But more importantly, the market turned sour and the stock is still very bullish, still very strong. So I'm still watching Yoma. And of course, Sino Brothers is another one, but I wasn't watching this stock until today. So yeah, I'm still watching. It's number 7. Okay, let me see if there's more questions. How's this share GCCP? Price seems to have come down recently. Time for a rebound. Okay, let me see GCCP. GCCP, Okay, look at GCCP. It looks like GCCP is going to have a rebound, but the timing the time for a rebound is not here yet. So soon GCCP is going to due for a rebound, and I'm watching this stock closely. Yes, good one. I'm watching this stock closely now. Thanks. Any other stocks? Is Sino another case of S&P, a little minute selling? Hi Ron, StarHub, ISR Capital. Now Sino is not in the case of S&P, because Sino, every stock is different. S&P is much larger than Sino, so it's different. Okay. Ron, what about StarHub? Okay, let me see StarHub. Well, hold on. Wow. I'm not very sure on StarHub, but it looks like it's quite bullish, but I'm not. Okay, if I were to pick StarHub, I think short term, it will come down just a little bit more before it trend higher. So I'm not very confident in StarHub. Okay, it's definitely not one of the stock I play. How about QT Vascular? Okay. QT Vascular. Okay, now this guy. Wait, let me see. Hold on. Okay, Joyce. Now it's not the penny season, so don't play penny stocks. Except maybe Yingli, because Yingli is a property counter. Second thing is it's constantly being heavily traded in the top 30 volume. So QT Vascular, IEV, all these kind of stocks, stay out for now because it's not the season for all these penny stocks. Okay. MM2. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, MM2 it's a little bit on the high side, but it's still quite bullish. It's still quite bullish. It's just a little bit on the high side. So if you want to buy MM2, don't buy a lot because it's really high, quite high now. It's about 60. The high is 64 today. But personally, for me, I will not execute a trade on MM2 at this stage at this point of time because there are other better stocks. Why would I buy a stock that's so high up now? Okay, so no MM2 for me. Genting. Okay, let me see. Liana, Genting. Let me see. Okay. Now, Liana, Genting. Wow, mix is a bit tricky. Why? Because look at. I mean, I don't know if you can see the chart. Okay, let me show you the chart. Okay, look at the chart, Genting. Look at this chart. Genting is here. Yeah, Genting is here. Can you see this rebound? It's not very strong. It's not very smooth, and hence I think it's just a short-term rebound. In the short term, I expect some mini reactions. But the most important thing about Genting is in these mini reactions, we need to see how much selling first. If the selling is not strong, then maybe Genting has a chance of going higher. But definitely, Genting Noble is not the stock to play now. I will not touch these two stocks, okay? Raffles Medical, ISR, Ezion, CapitaLand, yes, okay. Okay, let me see CapitaLand. CapitaLand, very mixed now because can you see it's in the range. CapitaLand is currently in the range, very mixed now, I'm not sure. But if I need to pick, stay out for now first because it's very unsure at the moment, okay? ISR Capital, okay, ISR Capital is a penny stock, so no need to touch, okay? No need to touch. It's very risky. This stock is very syndicated and it's very risky to trade this stock. And like I said, it's not a penny season, so don't bother about this stock at this point of time, okay? Jumbo, like I just mentioned earlier on, Jumbo was just a superb stock. I believe when Jumbo went IPO last year, I think I shared like to all my students, Jumbo was the stock to buy and hold. That was like last year when it was nearly IPO. And I gave a price of 355 to buy. And today, 6 months later, can you see the stock went up to 60 cents? Like I said, I bought, but I sold it too fast. But nevertheless, it's still a profit. Okay, Jumbo was a good stock. Silver Lake, Wilmar, SIA, okay. Oh, Jeffrey said you can't hear clearly. Okay, maybe I'll sit a bit closer. Okay, let me see this SIA. SIA, not a good stock. A lot of sellers, very big buyers. So don't play SIA. No good. Jeffrey, can you hear me now? Is it clear? Thai beverage, bullish because I think there's a takeover news or something, or there's a merger news, whatever it is, but it's quite bullish. Okay, Acromac. Okay, Acromac. Let me see. Acromac is a newly IPO stock. So for any IPO stocks, never buy and keep. Only trade. Why? Because IPO has not enough data. So never buy and keep. only for trading purposes. Okay, so let me take a look at Acromac as of now. Okay, I wouldn't buy. I'm cautious about sellers coming down, so I'm staying out of Acromac. Now, guys, as you can see, I've been sharing so far to all of you about stock outlooks. But there's one thing that's missing in my stocks. I don't have price. I don't use price. I don't know what's the level to watch for. The reason is very simple. Because I don't use price in my trading game plan. I only use like timing, how the big boys buy, how they sell, etc, etc. So price to me is not important. The most important thing is the time, because when a stock is about to move, anytime if a stock is about to move, if you hop in at the right time, the stock will move at any price. So the price to me is not the most important thing, but the time. Secondly is price, technical analysis, fundamental analysis is what people use, I think, almost all over the world. So what makes me so special, what makes me so different is because I use time, and time is something that books cannot find. Okay? Okay. DAX. Oh yeah, Ying Ying, DAX. Tonight is a bit hard to trade. Tonight is a little bit hard to trade. As you can see, I don't give any S&P outlook recently. For this past 1-2 days, because the market is in a mixed range. I'm not very sure. In the short term, there's going to be some selling and flushes before the thing can move higher again. So S&P as of now, I'm staying out. I'm not touching the index. It's quite risky to trade. Okay. Okay, Mr. Top, you're asking me if I use news. I said I don't use news. I use charts. If you go to my blog and if you can see all the stocks that I made money, all the stocks that I predicted, like S&P, all this, I don't know what's the news. The only thing I did is I read charts, but I don't read technical charts. I read bar charts, and I can predict the stock or the index before it moves. So I don't read news. Any stocks good at the moment? Let me take a look. Any stocks good at the moment? Okay, I'm pretty bullish on Yoma. Yoma was one of the stocks that I gave in my newsletter. I think it was like May 25th or May 26th. And when I gave, it was like a 51 or 51.5. Today is 53. The high for Yoma today is 54. And I'm still very bullish on Yoma because from the chart, it looks like it's going to shoot higher. So, but not in the short term, but more on the mid term. I think about 2 weeks to a month. I think Yoma is still good. Okay, but the level to watch for a cut loss in Yoma, it should be about 47 or 49, about 47 to 49 about there. So if it breaks through around that range, make sure you don't hold on to Yoma. Okay. ComfortDelGro, OCBC, GLP. What is your comment for GLP? Short term and mid term. Okay, Dennis, GLP short term, I think not too good. Mid term, I can't predict now because I've not seen some hidden buying, or I've not seen some strong buying, whatever it is. But short term, I think is not too good because there's some sellers and the buyers are not strong. Okay, let me take a look. Wilma, Clara. Okay, let me see. Wilma. Okay, yes, Clara. Good spot. I think Clara C. Let me see. Hold on. Clara C. Yes, Clara. Wilma, I think it's not bad to short. Why? Because the buying is not strong. And I don't know if John have coached you, but I think if you spotted Wilma because of what John has coached you, I think you did a good job. Okay? Wilma, yes, the buying is not strong. It's quite weak. Okay? Yeah, it's not bad of a short. So if you ever short Wilma, your cut loss should be about 349 about there. Okay? 349 about there. Swing trade. Never do short-term trade now because the market very tough. Okay. Ben, yes, I covered Sino. It has already ran, too bad. But don't worry, I'll give you guys another stock soon. So I hope all of you will make money. Okay? For all my students who join my course, my program, my WhatsApp, my free WhatsApp. Don't worry, we are working on something for all of you to make money. It's just that give us some time because the market is not there, and just be patient on it. Okay? GLD, I don't know what's GLD. Cogent, Valuetronics. Okay, let me see. Comfort Delgro, OCBC. Citineon. Okay, Citineon is another stock I gave on my blog, on my newsletter, and as usual, the thing ran, as you can saw. Okay. Maisel, how to join my WhatsApp? Okay, good question. Now, guys, I'm gonna have a workshop this coming Saturday. It's from 10:30 to 12:30 in the afternoon. So if you're interested in my workshop, register, come see me live, and I'll teach you how to get my WhatsApp. Okay? Okay, Mr. Choming, this Citineon as of now, don't touch first. Let me double check. Okay? Let me double check. Okay, Citineon is a little bit on the high side. Don't touch Citineon at the moment. Okay? How about Noble? Andrew, finally I see you. Noble is how should I put it? Noble, in my personal point of view, never buy Noble. Never even trade Noble at this point of time because it's very uncertain. Okay? There are so many other stocks. Don't play Noble. Ezion. Okay, let me see Ezion. Wow. If I need to pick Ezion, I'll tell you the short term. I think short term Ezion is coming down. Okay, this is my take for Ezion. Short term is coming down, and I'm not touching Ezion at the moment. Okay. There are too many sellers in Ezion. Okay, and just be careful. When Ezion suffers, I'm selling the short term. I need to see how strong or how weak the selling is before I can decide if the stock is going to trend up now. So the midterm, I'm not sure yet because Ezion is tied to oil price. So I'm still watching, but Ezion is not a stock for me at this moment. Okay, Eric, Ezion is the same as Ezra. Okay. Audrey, is Sinogran going to run up? It has already ran today. It already ran 10% today. So at this point of time, if I need to pick, Sino going to take a short-term breather, and in that short-term breather, if it ever happen, I need to see if it has more strength to run up now. So yes, this is my watch list, Sino Gradus. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick. Okay, seems like there's no more questions. Okay, so I will watch the market for the last 5 minutes. Del Monte, no. Ron, Thai Beverage, sorry came late. Take care. Okay, Del Monte, no. Okay, I'll get my manager to shoot me now because it's a little bit, I can't show you the chart from here. Hold on guys, hold on. Okay, let's watch the top 30 volume. Let's watch the top 30 volume. Okay. Looking at the top 30 volume, I can see that Jumbo is still quite strong. Yoma is still quite strong. Can you see Yoma? Still quite strong. Hold on, number. Yingli, I want to see Yingli. Yes, I believe Yingli is still quite strong. It's just not going to run anytime soon. It will take some time. Okay. Yoma, I love Yoma. I'm a firm believer of Yoma because I think it has, in the midterm, it has more room to go. You said that in the short term, there's some reactions here and there, but in the midterm, I'm still very bullish on Yoma. Okay. Noble, definitely not a go. Don't play Noble. Why? Look at the buy queue, 9 million, Xiaomi 6 million. It's a very thick stock, so don't play Noble. Jumbo is a little bit on the high side now, but the high still can go higher. I mean, the high still can get higher. It's just that I'm going to wait for a while before I can decide my next course of action in Jumbo. Okay, ISR, all this, don't touch. It's too syndicated and it's not a penny stock season. Just don't play all these funny stocks. Okay. Other than that, the whole stock market has been quite boring. Okay. Other than that, the whole stock market has been quite boring. And today is Thursday. I'm looking forward. My hand is quite itchy. I'm looking forward to go to the casino as usual. Because last night I practiced some skill at my home, how to read some probability game in the casino. So I probably will go to the casino after this live video session. And now the problem is this. As I gamble in the casino, I realize one thing. Sometimes emotion get the best of me. Sometimes I got too greedy. So these days I get people that I pass money to that will go to the casino and bet for me instead. And of course he learned my skill a little bit here and there. I taught him some of the skills in the casino that he have to watch out for. But I think the most important in the casino is being focused. Okay? So yeah, maybe I'll be going to the casino later. Okay? Sino Graders, okay. Now let me see the S&P, guys. Let me watch the S&P. Now look at this. This is the 5-minute chart for the S&P. And the S&P, as you can see, is very volatile. It's very choppy at this moment of time. So the market, the Singapore stock market is equally the same. Very boring, very choppy. Nothing really moved much except today, Sino Graders. Okay, let me take a look. Now, can you see Singapore market is only up 8 points? Or maybe 5 points. Can you see 5 points? 3 points. Okay, so nothing really moved. It's very hard to make money. So in this situation, if you want to make money, you got to pick the right stock. If you pick one wrong stock, it's not going to give you any returns. Okay. Now, I'm not here to promote my workshop or whatever it is, but I'll just let you know. A lot of you who join my forum, I'm not the one who approve you. I handle, or I should say, I pass my account to my admin and my manager. They are the one that approve one by one. Like I said, there are about 1,200 members, 1,300 members over the past 2-3 days that are requesting to join the forum, but not all of them are able to join. And for all of you who are able to join, you are in the privileged group. So, and I can see some of you I've never seen before, some of you I've never even met before in my life. And if you want to know more how I do my things, I hope this short video, how I analyze stock, is good enough. To many people, they say that, hey, Ron, you know what? You don't give us a price. Well, if you watch my blog, I don't have any price. I only see time. So that's my forte. Okay? And I'm not trying to do something different or whatsoever. It's just that over the years, I'm trained towards reading time as opposed to reading price, which is what everybody is doing. Okay? So if you're interested to know more about how to read time, how to see strong base. Yes, another thing is the strong base, which I want to show all of you. I want to show all of you guys. So recently, if you watch my S&P prediction, that I predicted about what, 7-8 times, all my prediction came true. In this 7-8 times, my prediction on S&P all came true. And how I predict my S&P is the same thing that I always believe: a strong base. Like I've just blocked on Sino Graders, a strong base that was built. And then I watch for buyers and sellers. I'm not so much watching about, oh, I have to get a 6.8, I have to get a 7.0, I have to get a 6.6. No, I'm watching on bases, sellers and buyers, which one is stronger, which one is weaker, to formulate, to come up with my analysis, and to make a decision whether to execute a trade in the market or not. Okay? So that's my forte. Timing. It's not too much on pricing. Oh? So this coming Saturday, I'll be talking about how to watch for bases like that. How to watch for bases, and how do we know the base is going to go up or is it going to go down? Okay, how to watch for strong buyers, how to watch for weak buyers. To all my students, you don't have to attend this workshop because I will share this strong base thing in my private sharing session this week. You guys know when is the sharing session, and I'll see you guys before Saturday. Okay? Come. David, pass me the camera. Okay. Let me see. Which platform do you use? Which platform do you use? HSI Futures. Investing.com is free online. Investing.com. How do you determine profit? Take cut loss. Okay, you have to come for my Steven. How to determine? It's hard for me to show you without a whiteboard or a marker. It's even hard for me to show you without a chart, step by step. So if you're interested, you can come for my workshop, which is this coming Saturday, and just go to my blog and click a register button. And at my blog or at my post, there's a register button. Just click there, register, and come on Saturday. I'll see you and I'll show you how I do it. Okay? Sing song, no. Junias, hold on. Junias, sing song. Let me see for you. Okay, Junaya sing song. Wow. It looks like it's okay, sing song looks like it's going to trend higher. It's just that well, it's on the high side, I'm a bit cautious. So like I said, there's still better stocks than sing song, like Yoma I just mentioned. Short term sing song coming down a little bit before it move higher again. Okay? Not maybe, you sure confirm go. Andrew, I'll be going there later, okay? I'll be passing my manager the money later and I hope he gamble for me. I won't be gambling. I will go there and supervising him how he gamble based on my method. Okay, worth Irish Petrogas. Irish Petrogas not now, okay? How about Keppel Corp? Maisel, Keppel Corp is tied to oil. So short term is, I think in short term there's some selling, mini selling for oil stocks like Keppel, Irish Petrogas, Ezra, Easier. They are all oil stocks. So we don't have to watch individual stocks. We group them into one category. And Silver Lake. Okay, last thing, Silver Lake. Okay, who is the guy? Ivan. Okay, Silver Lake. I've not seen enough signals that I've not seen enough signals that show me that it is going to run. So hold on first, okay? Don't touch because it's not the stock at the moment. So just put in your watch list but do nothing. Okay, Super. Okay, Christine, Super. Huh? Okay, Christine, like I told you in my many private sharing sessions, if your goal is to hold for years, you still can hold it. You still can continue to hold this stock, Super, because I think in the next few years it's going to run. But unless you tell me short term and all this, then it's not going to run anytime soon. Okay. Okay, I think guys, I'm almost done. Hi Candice, any advice? Okay, Candice, I'll see for you. Golden Agri. Whoa. Okay, Candice, I know what's the outlook for Golden Agri. Short term, it may just go up a little bit more, it will come down, and then it will trend higher. But I need to see as it comes down, that little bit when it comes down, I need to see if the sellers are more or the buyers are stronger. So short term, up a little bit more, down. That down, you have to see how much sellers first before we can decide whether it's going to trend higher or come down lower. Okay? Eileen, Q&M, okay? Q&M. Okay, Q&M, I'm not bullish. Q&M, I know what's going to happen. Q&M short term is going to go up a little bit more and then it will come down. Because there's a huge profit taking in Q&M. So no, Q&M is definitely not a stock. Okay? Lois, no. Why Lois no? Because now is not the time for penny stocks. I repeat, fourth time already. Now is not the time for penny stocks. Second thing is not the time for energy stocks. Okay? Let me see, double check. Lois. Yes, I just saw the chart for Lois and I'm confident to tell you that no, definitely not the stock for now. Okay? UMS, okay, let me see this one's last stop. Okay, UMS, short term, down a little bit more before it trend higher, but don't buy because it's a little bit on the high side. You see guys, as I scan stocks, I carefully select stocks that has more potential upside than a little bit upside. And the stocks that you guys pick, some of them are not bad, but just that the timing is off. Some of them are quite bad, like UMS is quite bad, like Lois is not good. Some of them are just not good. So it's very hard for me to explain to you what I really do or explain how I do my analysis. If you watch my blog for the past 6 years, today is 2016. For the past 6 years, I've been doing blogging, and if you watch my blog for the past 6 years, in these 6 years, I can tell you something. My hit rate is quite high. And I think hit rate high is being one thing. The most important thing is about stock selection, picking the right stock. Okay, if you pick one wrong stock, you buy, suddenly the stock collapse or whatever it is, you hold up the shares, you pay up for the shares, and you put in your CDP account. So when you hold the stocks in your CDP account, it's not going to do you any good because the next stock is going to run, but your stock is not moving, and you're just wasting opportunities. Okay, so for me, if you want to buy stocks that keep, you have to buy stocks like MM2, those days, I'm not talking about now, Jumbo, Citinion. When you buy those stocks, those stocks are called growth stocks. Those stocks, when you buy, when you keep, there's a chance of it moving higher and higher, even though the market collapses. Okay? Okay, guys, okay, guys, I gotta share with you guys a story before I go for my casino trip. Okay, guys. Recently I met a elder lady, and she told me her story. I met her. She told me her story. Okay. She said she bought UOB in 1992. In 1992, UOB is about $4-5. Today is 2016. She has not sold UOB yet. She's still holding UOB. It's about 20 plus years, and she's still holding UOB. Okay, let me show you guys something. Okay, let me show you guys the chart. Okay, let me show you guys the chart on UOB. Okay guys, I want all of you to see this. I'm going to use the weekly chart. Now, 1992 is here. I met the lady. She came from my workshop, and I advised her. I told her, hey, ma'am, you're not going to make a lot of money. You're just going to make peanuts. So in 1992, she bought UOB here. I think it was here, 1992. She bought here. Today, this year was 2016. UOB from 1992, it trend all the way to from $4 to maybe $24, $20 gain. 20 years later, she bought about I think 2 or 3 lots. 20 years later, she made tens of thousands of dollars. But she told me something. She said she don't want to book profits on UOB. And today UOB collapsed. Not collapsed. I mean, UOB had a downtrend. So now she's still holding the stock UOB, and she has not booked profit yet. And I asked her, man, why don't you book profits on UOB? The answer I got was, UOB is a good stock. It's a blue chip. It's safe. It gives dividend, etc., etc. So there's a lot of fundamentals involved. So I look up to my idol. My idol is Peter Lim. And Peter Lim bought this one stock called Wilmar from 30 cents to $7. And he made $1 billion. $1 billion from 30 cents to $7. So what is Peter Lim doing right that elder lady did, which the elder lady is doing wrong? Very simple. Peter Lim knows how to book profits. Peter Lim knows how to take money off the table and go. There's no such thing as buy one stock, hold forever, hold like 20, 30 years. Because along these 20, 30 years, the world is changing, the business is changing. And more importantly, stocks like MM2, let me show you guys MM2. Stocks like MM2 give you so much more potential return than UOB. Why? Watch this. Look at MM2. From here, let's look at the daily chart. Okay. from here MM2, it was IPO last year. IPO last year. Here, all the way up to 60 cents. So it's from like what? 10 cent to 60 cent. And think about this. UOB costs you $4. MM2 costs you 10 cent. So from 10 cent to 60 cent, with so much money, with $10,000 or $20,000, how much more can you buy MM2 as compared to UOB? And the return is so much higher in MM2 than UOB. So what I'm trying to do is very simple. World change, business change, stock market will change. But one thing will never be changed. That one thing is called supply and demand in the stock market. Okay? If that thing don't change and human emotion don't change, then I, Ronald K, can beat the stock market. Because I've proven not one day, not 1 year, not 2 years, 6 years in the making. Day by day, my prediction came true. Okay? How I do it, if you want to know more, I will see you in person on Saturday. Okay? Now, I'm going to go for my casino bet. I'm done with today. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. In fact, I'm here today because I've got some work to be done and I just finished my job. And so now I think I am going for leisure. Okay, before I go for leisure, now, like I say, I gamble, I bet, but because sometimes you do betting, there's a lot of emotion involved. So I pass money to my manager, David, to bet for me. Okay? Now, David, you're holding the camera, right? Okay, we will go to the casino later together. I'll pay for your levy fee. But more importantly, this is about $2,000. Can you make sure I win $5,000 back? Okay, David? Other than that, I'm done with the session here today. When there's another live session to be conducted, I'll post in this forum. I hope all of you enjoy. But more importantly, I hope to see some of you that I've never seen before in my workshop this Saturday so that I can show you what I really do. It's very hard for me to explain here without a marker and a pen. Okay? Thank you so much and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.